Sirens blared in San Marcos Monday night, signaling imminent danger to those outside and leading to some confusion about what that alert actually meant.
This was the first time they were activated since the city upgraded its outdoor emergency system last summer. The outdoor warning system will sound automatically to warn of natural disasters like tornadoes and flash floods. The reason for the activation: Monday night, there was a flash flood this morning, but the sirens didn't air. The city says the system was temporarily paused but is now re-enabled and fully operational.
The city said on one hand, the sirens were a success Monday night as people were aware of the potential danger. However, it said that since they caused some panic, a more robust public education campaign might be necessary.
Regards to some folks that were upset and confused, I think that we could probably, again, begin telling people that this is just a system that we're going to use for various hazards just to alert people.
The city also encouraged people to register with Warren Central Texas, especially ahead of more severe weather, so they can find out why they might be hearing those sirens go off.